Hello guys, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So today, first time, this session is just going to be recorded. So how are you feeling?
Very nice.
Are you getting scared?
No.
No, this class must be just making your hair stand on end,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So I just want to say to my viewers as well that this class is just going to make your hair also stand on end because this is test which is just being conducted here and ये पहली बार है कि टेस्ट कैमरा में कंडक्ट किया जा रहा है. ठीक है, सो आपको भी बहुत खुशी होगी जानकर कि कैसे स्टूडेंट्स इतने सारे वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स बोल रहे हैं. ओ माय गॉड, सीरियसली यू आर आल्सो गोइंग टू बी flabbergasted or astonished having been acquainted with this thing that okay, how can a student speak long vocabulary words within 20 seconds, 25 seconds or within 1 minute. So it is just going to just literally astonish you or blow you away. Clear? So just keep listening and keep watching this video until it gets finished. So I'm going to start from here. So first, Muskan is just going to speak. Yes, Muskan.
Okay. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Good morning, everyone. My name is Muskan, and I'm going to represent some vocabulary word which is taught by our Jordan sir. So first is sir, squabble, sojourn, splendid, servile, snile, sky, obsequious, obsequious, infallible, infelicitous, inimical, inherent, inestimable, and inequity. And infallible.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Okay, sir. Noisome, nugatory. Copier, ivy. Castigate, celebrate, occlude, obstruct, observate, preclude, hustle, hyperventilate, exonerate, expurgate, expiate, expound, extricate, acclimate, apprehension, amiable, ameliorate, bedlam, believer. And I say innocuous, innocuous, bedlam, believer. And able. Acrimonious, animosity, amnesty, arcane, adroit, and arcane, adroit, behaves, bolster, lackey, lacuna, lambus, lampoon, efface, effrontery, egregious, embryonic. And the pros: predicament,
मेरे को देखो. हाँ.
predicament, pliable, preposterous, revamp, recent, reprobate, refulgent, onerous, obtuse, officious, sagacious, sang-froid, saturnine, and make after, take after, make away with, take down, jot down, get down, bring something up, bring something down, and my idioms are have a cow, keeps and have one's finger on the pulse, be as fit as fiddle, and as clean as hound's tooth, and get the jitters, blow away, off the cup, blow smoke, doesn't hold water, bury the headset, bite off more than you can chew. That's all.
Well done. बहुत अच्छे. मुस्कान, well done. Yes, next. मोनिका is going to speak. देखो, ध्यान से देखना किस तरीके से मोनिका भी बोलने जा रही है, जिस तरीके से मुस्कान ने बोला, it was literally unexpected, inexplicable, unpredictable, incredible, and unprecedented. In short, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Now Muskan is going to speak. Listen carefully.
A very warm supercalifragilisticexpialidocious good morning to all. I am going to speak my vocabulary words which is taught by Jordan sir. Intermittently, flippant, querulous, bemused, bewilder, rapturous, stolid, extol the virtue of something or somebody, jubilant. Copier, ivy, that was castigate, celebrate, obfuscate, occlude, obstruct, preclude, innocuous, hyperventilate, hustle, resilience, and expiate, expurgate, exonerate, expiate, and acclimate, amiable, anxious, apprehension, and bedlam, believable. Lackey, lacuna, limbus, lampoon, efface, effrontery, egregious, embryo, embryonic, and arty. That's it. Pliable, preposterous, predicament, refulgent, revamp, recent, reprobate, officious, onerous, and sabotage, sagacious, sang-froid, saturnine, judicious, and opulent, impetuous, conviction, auspicious, judicious, and absolve, abhor, admonish, dichotomy,
Very good.
and
Very
my
good.
idioms are
हाँ.
doesn't hold water, have a cow, sow one's wild oats, and have like a kid in a candy store. Option choice: eat a humble pie. And my phrases: make after, make away with, bring something up, bring something down, bring someone up, bring someone down, and take down, get down, jot down, come along. That's it. Thank you.
Oh, well done, बहुत अच्छे. मोनिका, सुपर. अरे एक बार जोरदार तालियां. अरे आप भी तालियां बजाइए मोनिका के लिए. सुपर. बहुत जबरदस्त बोला है आपने. हिला के रख दिया. Yes. Next, धर्म.
First of all, I am going to present which vocab which is taught by Sir. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Good evening to all. Good morning to all of you. And my vocab is lecky, lacuna, lambus, lampoon, efface, effrontery, egregious, embryonic, embryo, and arche. And second is pliable, preposterous, predicament, refulgent, reprobate, revamp, rescint. Sabotage, sagacious, judicious, saturnine, and last is onerous, obtuse, and officious.
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे. अरे well done, well done. He has taken only one class of vocabulary words and see the result. And if you also want to speak like them, so just join Glorious Institute. You can also speak a lot of vocabulary words within 20 seconds, I guess 30 seconds, or within 1 minute you will speak more than 100 words as well. Just see. Next student is Anu. Yes, Anu.
So yeah, very good morning. When I present here, my name is Anu, and I'm going to yes, I'm going to sharing whatever vocab we have been made to learn by Jordan sir. So yes, fragilisticexpialidocious, avarice, eplomanic, vanity, parsimonious, peribetiousness, philanthropist, misanthropist, whimsical, detrimental, noxious, innoxious, rapturous, callow, green, hoard, inexperienced, utterly, mire, drudgery, charlatan, detrimental, intermittently, reluctantly, surreptitiously, surreptitiously, incessantly, extol the virtues of something in somebody, pneumo ultra microscopic silico-volcano-corneosis. Thank you so much.
Well done, well done, well done. बहुत अच्छे. जोरदार तालियां. Yes, now it is the turn of Karan.
So, hello friend, my name is Karan and today I will speak vocabulary and item and phrase. So, first is extricate, acclimate, amiable, apprehensive, blabber, bedlam, leaky, lacuna, lambus, lampoon, efface, effrontery, egregious, embryonic, arcane, and pliable, predicament, preposterous, refulgent, recent, revamped, reprobate, obtuse, onerous, officious, sabotage, sagacious, sang-froid, saturnine. And next is incastigate, castigate, hackneyed, blue murder, by lips and bound, cut the crab, have a cow, up, eat a piece of cake, might is right, take after, make after with, jot down, take down, go down, that's it. Thank you.
Well done, very nice. So he has also taken only one class of vocabulary words, and with that vocabulary words he spoke, idioms and phrases as well. So thank you so much, Karan, for speaking. Yes.
Hello guys, my name is
Now it is the turn of Praveen. Yes, Praveen, go
Hello
ahead.
guys, my name is Parveen and now I am speaking about vocabulary words. So now I start. Lecky, lacuna, lambus, lampoon, efface, effrontery, egregious, embryo, or pliable, preposterous, predicament, refulgent, reprobate, recent, revamp, obtuse, officious, onerous, sabotage, sagacious, saturnine, snack-freud, avaricious, impiable, exasperating, deciment, obliged, indebted, beneficious, disseminant, deliberately, noxious, and that's it.
Okay, well done, well done. एक बार जोरदार तालियों से सभी के लिए. Viewers, आप भी बचा सकते हो. Well done. बहुत अच्छे से जवाब दिया इन्होंने और बहुत अच्छे से टेस्ट दिया भी इन्होंने. So सभी डरे हुए लग रहे थे लेकिन बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने फेस किया कैमरे को. Thank you so much for being here and literally it was Awesome, awesome, excellent.
Thank
So
you, sir.
I just want to ask a question from all of you. Okay, how many classes you have taken of vocabulary words?
So I have taken only 3 classes.
3 classes, and you have learned each and every vocabulary. कमाल है भाई, जबरदस्त. मजा आ गया यार सुनते ही. सुपर, आपको भी मजा आया होगा. इन्होंने 3 क्लास लिया और तीनों क्लास के सारे वर्ड्स खा गए. क्या कर रहे हो यार मोनिका? हाँ? क्या कर रहे हो यार? जबरदस्त. Yes. Muskan, I just want to ask you also the same question which I asked her. So, how many classes of vocabulary words you
Sir,
have?
I
also?
have taken 3 or 4 classes.
Okay, 3 or 4 classes.
Yes.
And सारे words खा गए आप? ऐसा क्या करते हो आप? Like, what motivates you to learn vocabulary words?
Sir, I saw your videos on YouTube which inspired me a lot.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching my videos. At least someone is there who watches my video. Oh, thank you so much. Next, Karan, what inspires you to learn vocabulary words?
Sir, you inspired because of you, I learn a vocabulary but very fastly.
Okay, how many classes you have taken of vocabulary words only?
2 class only.
और इतना अच्छा vocabulary words बोल लेते हो आप?
Yes, sir.
बहुत कमाल है भाई.
Just because of you.
And he is new student. Means how many days you have completed here?
1 week.
1 week.
1 month.
1 month approximately. Okay.
Yeah, 1 month.
Very good, very good. And Praveen,
Yes, sir.
how many classes of vocabulary words you have taken?
Only 1 class.
Only one class. कमाल है भाई, एक ही क्लास ली है. देख रहे हो कैसे बोल रहे हैं, जबरदस्त. कमाल कर दिया आपने. And how many days you have completed here in Glorious Institute?
Approx 1 week.
1 week. एक week में इतना बड़ा change. Super. Yes, Dharam. Same question.
As you said, I take only 1 class.
1 class. And
vocabulary words.
कमाल है यार, एक ही क्लास में देख रहे हो कितना बड़ा change. And Anu, आपसे भी same question. How many classes of vocabulary words you
So,
have?
guys, I'm a new student of this class, and I would say the way he teaches us, that's amazing. And this is a very comedious thing while taking our classes and while taking learning these things, because they are teaching us in a mnemonics way, and you can see the videos on the YouTube, guys, and you can join these classes to learn many more things from there.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, Monica, do you want to say some of the things to our viewers as well? They are watching all of you.
Yeah, I want to say something. This class is a very important for me because of sir I can able to learn these words because
I
the
can
way
learn.
I can learn the way he teaches us, that's a very fantastic way, and I like the way sir teaches.
Okay, and you want to say something? Do you want to say something to our viewers?
Sir, I love this class.
Oh, okay.
I forgot all of those things who come in this class.
Oh,
I
okay.
just saying those things.
Very good, very good. Muskan, do you want to say something to our viewers?
Yeah, sir. The
Yes.
way you taught us, it indefatigable.
Okay.
We are never tired.
Okay.
And I am not tired at all. Whenever I learn vocabulary words.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. And you, Karan, do you want to say something to our viewers?
So if we speak of vocabulary, so join the Glorious Institute to speak of vocabulary.
Very good, very good. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Praveen,
Yes,
do you
sir.
want to say something to our
Yes, sir, I
viewers?
want to say.
Huh.
I never face camera ahead. Sorry,
Before.
before. So, sir, encourage me to face the camera.
Encourages,
So, encourages me to face the camera. So now I am here.
Okay. Yes, Anu.
I have
Yes.
already spoken many words, myriad of words you can see, guys. And the way he teaches us, that's an amazing thing. We can commemorate the word very easily. So I was flabbergasted while taking the classes. Sir, thank you so much for teaching us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.